Alright guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Cabello and welcome back to a new video, a bit of a different video today. Kind of a just like sit down and talk video. First of all, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I know it doesn't sound like a lot. It's just really crazy to think that 200 of you have subscribed to this channel. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's been so awesome having your support in the comments below. And I know a lot of you that watch the videos are not subscribed, but I still appreciate you guys so much. Honestly, this journey has been so much easier just because of you guys in the comments. Always supporting me, giving me ideas, giving me recommendations for my beard. It's been awesome. I mean, there's a lot of backlash from other people in my life just because I'm doing this journey and using minoxidil, and you know, my beard is very patchy. I still let it grow though because I like it. And it's comforting to know that there's some people out there that understand the journey, basically. So with that out of the way, these videos, basically, I wanted to make Who is Cabello, as you probably saw in the title already, video, just to, you know, as a way of celebrating 200 subscribers. So basically, my name, first of all, I don't think I've ever said my full name in this video. So my name is Olivier Dario de la Rosa Ceballos. I bet that's the longest name you heard today, isn't it? Yeah, that's my name. I'm Dominican. I'm from the Dominican Republic. So yeah, I'm Dominican. You probably heard it on my accent before. I've seen some of you asking in the comments where I'm from, and I tried to answer all the comments always. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm Dominican. I moved to the currently live in the United States. I moved here about 5 years ago. And yeah, I've been actually making videos on YouTube for a really long time on my main channel, which I'm gonna link up there. It's just a lot of random crap, just stuff that I don't know, whatever random crap I felt like recording back then. My first video on that channel actually was, I think, from 6-7 years ago. And it's not a very good video. It's supposed to be a cover. It's like a I don't know, like a funny cover of a song in VR, but the quality is terrible. My grandma's dog is barking on the background, and you can barely hear anything. It's still, that video got like, I forgot now, like 4,000 views, 5,000 views or something like that. So yeah, that's my other channel. I have like, I think like 31 videos on that channel. I don't really upload there anymore because I'm more like focused and getting more ideas for this channel, for Cabello. So yeah, that's that other channel. It's full of, as I said, random stuff. I also have some music stuff. I play guitar, bass, and piano. So yeah, that's me. So now moving on to Cabello, to this channel. What is my goal with this channel? I'm thinking, I mean, I'm gonna keep doing minoxidil videos. I just recently actually got my 10% minoxidil. I got a 3-month supply of that. I'm gonna be switching to that on my 1-year video, which is coming very soon, actually next week. So subscribe for that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using minoxidil. I have 3 months of 10% that I just arrived, and then I have like 3 bottles, 2 foam and 1 liquid, I think. So that's around 6 months because I use foam once a day and then liquid once a day. So basically foam during the day, liquid during the night. So basically 1 bottle lasts me 2 months. So yeah, that's a lot of minoxidil still. That's about almost, well, 1 year and 9 months, 1 year and 8 months, something like that. So there's definitely gonna be more minoxidil videos, updates on my beautiful luscious beard. So yeah, also I've been, you know, I saw some comments of people that want me to do videos about my hair. I have a very very interesting hair, let's call it. You've probably seen it. Oh well, I don't know if you have, but I have a lot of other videos. I let my hair grow for about 17 months, and I did a lot of videos on that. But I'm thinking of doing more like style videos, like how I style my hair and stuff like that. I saw some comments about that were asking me to do those videos. So that's another idea that I have. Basically, I also did it didn't get too many views, but I don't really care. I just want to do more things in this channel. basically do more than just minoxidil. I did my fitness journey, I think I called it. And I'm basically started going to the gym. I explained on that video, I started going to the gym like 3 months, 4 months ago, and I'm going constantly. I haven't missed one day yet, and I'm seeing a lot of improvement, so I kind of want to track that as well on these videos. And yeah, just I don't know, just anything that has to do basically with hair, hairstyles, beard care, fitness, everything in between. So that is my goal at the moment with this channel, and I think this is where this channel is headed now. Anyways, I don't think there's much else to say. I don't want this video to be super long. I just kind of wanted to make it to say thank you for subscribing, and thank you for all your encouragement in the comments. I really appreciate it. I mean, it's been awesome to have your support, guys. As always, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video. As I said, my 1 year mark, which is a very important milestone in the minoxidil journey, it's coming next week on Wednesday. So yeah, make sure you subscribe so you can see that video coming. Make sure you drop a like below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.